Para sa'yo, sulit bang kumain dito? Hello mga ka-socials! For today's video, dito naman tayo sa pinasosyal na Unli Rice and Soup. Kung mahilig ka sa Unli Rice, this video is for you. This restaurant offer full set meals, which includes refillable rice, refillable miso soup, refillable fruits, and refillable cabbage. And yes, lahat ng sides unlimited. This is also good for 2 persons, lalo na kung hindi naman nag-rice yung isa. Like my son and I, we just shared in one set. At in fairness, nakakabusog din talaga siya, lalo na unlimited yung cabbage. Naka 1 kilo ata ako ng cabbage dito, char. Miss ko rin talaga kumain sa restaurant na to, more than 10 years na ata akong hindi nakakain dito. So for us, sulit na talaga to, lalo na yung refillable rice, nag-enjoy talaga yung mga boys ko. At ito namang bunso ko, super nag-enjoy sa refillable fruits. And now it's time for dessert. Thank you for watching mga ka-socials. Till our next food bonding. Bye!